Hello everyone, let's begin with a book that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter that is chapter number 27, Modern Authors and Books. Now in this chapter we are going to study about the various books and we will name the authors with the help of the help text for the respective books. Let's begin with the exercise. Let's begin with the first book, and the name for the first book is Romancing with Life, and the answer for this question, that means the author of this book is Devanand. We all recognize Devanand. He is Devanand. The next is Sourav Ganguly, the Maharaja of Cricket, and the author of this book is Debashish Datta. Debashish Datta. Next we have Mohandas, a true story of a man, and the author of this book is Raj Mohan Gandhi. Then the next book is The Glass Palace, and the writer of this book is Amitabh Ghosh. Then the next book, A Call to Honor, and the writer is Jaswant Singh. Then we have another name of the book, that is Guiding Souls, and the author of this book is Dr. Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam. Next we have The Longest Race, and the answer for this is Tom Alter. Last one, that is The God of Small Things, and the author of this book is Arundhati Roy. So these are the respective authors of these books. Let's now move to the quick fact. The quick fact says that J.K. Rowling wrote the bestseller Harry Potter. So who is the author of the bestseller book Harry Potter? J.K. Rowling. So with this we have completed this page. Only the your answer question please is left. Who is your favorite author? So children, answer this question. Who is your favorite author? And what kind of writing do you like most? आपको सबसे ज़्यादा किस तरह की लिखी हुई books पसंद हैं? Write the answers for these two questions here in the page. Let's now move on to the next page. Now here children, on the next page we have some more books written over here, and here we have to write the names of again the authors of these respective books. So let's begin with the exercise. First, the question. Let's read the question. It says, name the authors of the following books with the help of the help desk. So let's begin. The first book given over here is Mahabharata, and the author of the book Mahabharata was Ved Vyas. Next we have Buddha Charitam, and it was written by Ashwaghosh. Third one is Kadambari, and the writer of this is Banabhat. Fourth one is Sur Sagar, and this book was written by Surdas. Then we have fifth one, Bijak, and it was written by Kabir Das. Kitab ul Hind, the sixth book, Kitab ul Hind, and the author of this book was Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni. Next is Panch Tantra, the famous book, and it was written by Pandit Vishnu Sharma. Next, that the eighth book, Arth Shastra, and Arth Shastra written by Chanakya. Next, that is the ninth one, Geet Govind, and this book was written by Jayadev. 10th book, Gora. This was written by Rabindranath Tagore. 11th is Politics, and this book was written by Aristotle. Then we come to the last book, that is Republic, and it was written by Plato. So these are the names of respective authors with their respective books which they had written in the past. I hope you must have gathered a vast knowledge about the books and their respective authors from this chapter. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video and take care and goodbye.